Welcome to the vlog. Today I'll be taking you to a breathtaking place, Kaipholangso Waterfall, aka Kaipholangso Falls. Okay guys, gonna get ready now. Ready? White girl ready for the ride. Priyanka?
Hi. একদম খবৰ মজা আৰু আজি একেলগে ওলালো আৰু দুই গৰাকী একদম ফুৰিবলে
তাকেতো প্ৰিয়ংকা এন্টাৰটেইনমেন্ট লগত আমি যাম আজি কাকচাঙলে
কাকচাং গৈ আছো আমাৰ লগত বলক আৰু গৈ থাকক বুলি
So yes, enjoy the nature with me, the beauty of nature. You can see everything. Oh. I have a surprise for you guys. Ta-da! Guys, I know the phone's camera is not doing justice with the view, but still, yeah, it's amazing. As you can see, it's yeah. So this is the Kaipholangso Waterfall that you see at my back. Nowadays, you're not allowed to take bath here, but earlier you were allowed to take bath. Now you can just enjoy the view. You can do a trekking here. So yeah, it's absolutely fine for trekking and just enjoy the view. Priyanka is a good bihu dancer. You can watch her dancing on her channel. I'll put the link in the description box, and she vlogs too. Well, some people in my community says that if a butterfly comes and sit on you, this means that you are going to get married soon. Well, if you knew this, comment down and let me know. I've heard about this waterfall before, but I've never visited before this day. Now, Golagatians can come and experience this beauty all by yourself. It's located just nearby Bokaghat only, and also people from faraway places should make plans to come here. Now, you see, if you're coming from Deogaon side, then take the first left road right after Hyundai dealer. Okay, Hyundai dealer Bokaghat, and people from the opposite national highway take the right road just before the dealer. Okay, I'm just sitting here now. Yes, and really, a nature field day is a full field day. I don't know what I just said, because I feel like I'm so lost in nature today. Like, you just see the beauty, the camera is not doing justice to the view. The view that I am witnessing with my eyes, that we are witnessing from our eyes, is really, 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 so beautiful. It's mesmerizing. And so I would, ask you all to come and, experience this beauty of nature. And to whoever who lately, if you are wanting to go on a trekking or like that, then this is really a super place. You can come for trekking. Yes, you will really love it, like I'm loving it. Okay, we're now going back home, and now I'm going to ride my scooty, and the rest of the people who I came with, they are coming at my back. Before reaching the waterfall, you will find a lot like this here. Actually, I was thinking that we would be heading back home, but then later they told me that they are hungry, so yeah, we came here to eat. Even I'm a little bit hungry. If you come to Bokaghat, then you can have your food here also. As you can see, the prices, they seem to be very reasonable. Hi. Hi. Tomar naam to ki koisila? Deepa Pupal. Thik ase, Deepa Pupal. Tapa eya hol amar Priyanka Entertainment. পাপায়া তোমাৰ নামটো কৈ দিয়া মিলন ন মিলন তাৰপিছত এইফালে ঠিক আছে অঁ এতিয়া লৈ ল'ম so yes now we are here to have something yes we are all a little bit hungry the waiting's finally over मेरा वाला अभी भी आया नहीं आएगा थैंक यू Hey guys, I've reached home now and I'm super tired.